You want to know why clients and hiring managers are not minding your profile? Because your profile is all over the place. Imagine going to a restaurant and then seeing all the types of menu there. There's Italian, American, Japanese, Korean, all in one menu. That's just really confusing, and it shows that you are not specializing on something or anything. It creates confusion, and it doesn't give the confidence of the client or the hiring manager to actually choose you. Why? Because you don't have this solid business identity yet. Hi, it's Jam, the founder of Buhay University, and welcome to our very new series called From Rejection to Attention. And for this episode, let's talk about your business identity. Always remember that if you are not clear yet with your business identity, which is 80% of you guys, okay, the moment you put yourself out there, okay, the clients, the hiring managers will be confused at the same time. Okay, because I see their social media manager, I see their EA, I see their real estate VA, I see their multiple in one resume, and I'm just so confused. It's like looking at like a menu of a restaurant with different cuisines out there, and it doesn't give me the confidence to reach out to you because I feel like you're all over the place and you're not specializing anything. And as a business owner and as an entrepreneur, guys, it's very important that you can answer these three basic questions. And I need to get your paper and pen ready to write this down, everyone. Number one is, who are you as a business? Sino ka ba? In my case, I'm Jam, which is the VA sourcer. And then the second question that you need to answer clearly is, what kind of problems do you solve? In my case, in my business, the VA sourcer, I help my clients source qualified talent for their business. And number three, who do you want to help? In my case, agencies, staffing agencies, maybe startup businesses who wants to build their own remote team, and there are like specific non-negotiables out there. So very clear, who are you? What type of problem do you solve? And who do you cater to? Because in this manner, guys, it's easier for you to identify which job opening is for you, which client is for you. You know, it's very clear to you who do you reach out to, and you do not just create like multiple generalized profile and send it to multiple hundreds of companies out there. It's really not worth your time anymore. Always remember that the more solid or clear your business identity is, the more it's easier for the hiring managers and the clients to understand who you are immediately in one look. And if that's you who they need, then they will immediately and absolutely reach out to you. By the way, I forgot to tell you, we have a Notion. So we have a Notion page for this, wherein I put all the episodes there and when it will be aired, so you won't get lost anymore. Plus excess, like additional resources on the side per module. Okay? Download it now. It's in the description box below. Come on. Anyway, this is my assignment to you. So sit down, okay? Reflect and answer these key questions, okay? Who are you as a business? What type of problems are you gonna solve? And number three, okay, who do you want to cater to or who do you want to help? Okay? Once you're done with that, once that's solid, then you comment it in the comment section. Alright? See you in the next episode. Bye!